Classic Truck Rescue. We're going to do something different today, folks. I've got Jamie's Hovsco GTRS fully charged here. I have a dentist appointment today. A dentist appointment which is, it says 1 hour 1 minute to go 11 miles. We're going down a highway. Holy cow.
Head west, then turn left.
Alright, anyway. I got this thing hooked up to where it can ride right here. I'll come back when I'm ready to go. I got to put on my safety vest, my eye protection, and I've already got my hydration stuff. A little bit of mouthwash so I can rinse my mouth out when I get there. And my charger. I'm hoping that they will let me charge the battery in the waiting room. Got to have the key to get the battery off. Okay, that's the right key. Alright, so I got everything I need. I'm going to strap you guys on my chest today with the chest cam rigging. I'll be back. All right, folks, so we went 20.3 kilometers. We got 3 bars of battery left, and it's 12:17 on my watch. Well, my mouth's all numb, but I wanted to give a shout out to my buddy Skip. I can't talk right now, and I have a couple errands to run on the way home. I was able to charge the bike up. Charge the bike up. I was able to charge the bike up out in front of Albertsons with some bootleg electricity. I don't know how much I got it charged, but I gotta get home. All right, folks, we're heading home. I'm gonna make a stop for some groceries and some Gorilla Tape for my forms. Got 4 bars of battery. I charged it for about 20 minutes. Sorry about my talking. We're definitely packing a lot more weight on the way home than we were on the way there. But it's what we got.
On my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
America!
Really much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again.
Well, folks, we had one bar flashing at us. Holy cow, my mouth's still numb. We got home pretty quick though. I didn't see what time it was when we started, but we made a few stops for Gorilla Tape and groceries. Anyway, that was quite the ride. My mouth is numb. I gotta go. Peace out. Hovsco GTRS. Get there. Don't tell Jamie what I did. You know what? I think he's gonna whack.
He looks really good with a Teletubby in front of him.
With a what? With a what in front of him? Are you okay? Hey, you're on film right now, you know.